Niramaja speaking from Japan International. This is standard quality practices in production, construction, maintenance and services. This is Ese Prelim 2025. Automated system operated at 5 stages. One automatic system for manufacturing a product is operating 100% automatic at 5 stages. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, stage 4, stage 5. Individual probability of reliability is mentioned here. Because one CEO is telling, he thinks this system we should evaluate to make a new redundant system. So you have to calculate what is the reliability, actual reliability of the existing system. So what is all stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, stage 5 reliability is given here. Only simply multiply it. After multiplication it is coming 3213, 0.3213. That means the present system is reliable to only 32.13%. That's a new CO wants to replace by another new redundant system to increase the reliability of production completed.